Right. Awesome. Well, here we are. 2018. Uh, just making sure the project, you know, build. It gave me an error, and that's expected. So let me just include this. Also, welcome. Welcome to the stream. I know it's been like a month, but winter break. And hope you guys enjoyed your winter break. Hope we got presents. Had a happy New Year's party. That stuff, and hope things are okay. So let's get started making a tic-tac-toe in C++. So here I just include, what every C++ people would include, IOStream. And let me just build this quickly to make sure things are fine. Hopefully, if I do this right and I don't F up, it works. Great. So, what I need to do, first step I should do is make a board, right? So, int, should I make it, no, char board. Let's do that. Char board, and it'll be 9, and it's going to be nothing. We don't want anything in it. So a little backstory to this is this used to be like one of my assignments where I had to make like a AI to play, with you in tic-tac-toe. So I'm gonna, try to recreate that, and just gonna take my time doing it. Don't want to rush it. Don't want to, stress out for some reason if code's not working. So yeah, I'm just gonna hard code it for now. And if there's any pointers you would like to give out, I'll appreciate that. I'll learn some things, from you, and maybe I can show you something. So okay, let's see. That's actually not a good idea. I shouldn't loop it. Just gonna hard code well, I think that's the way to do it actually, if I remember. Okay, so forward. It looks uneven. There we go. And then if I just copy and paste this a couple times. Let's see. Forgetting the angle brackets. I don't need this. Let me end it off like that. Go down next line, organize it a bit. Awesome. Okay. Make this a new line. Do that. That. And that. Alright, we got one. Now I gotta fix the index. Four. Six. Just leave it at 9. Alright. Oh, we don't need this. And we can leave it like that. So let me just quickly run it to see what it looks like. I messed up here. There we go. Build. Alright. Awesome. Let's see if it looks ugly. Can't wait. Come on. I forgot the vertical. Oh wait, I forgot the horizontal lines. So actually, I'm just gonna cheat a little bit here. That way the terminal doesn't disappear immediately. So let me just quickly do this. I can just do no. Say about there. Copy paste it. Okay. Let's see how that looks right now. Oh, that's disgusting. What happened? New line. I do a new line. Here. Here, I'll just do this. And then okay. That already has an end line, so okay. Let's see how that goes. Awesome. Much better. Now, let me just give this array have some values so I can see like they're not just spaces. It's not going to be a permanent fix or a permanent thing. I'll leave them with spaces, but I just want to see the numbers. All right, cool. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I just want to know. Okay. So we can call this to print the board. So let me just make a new function here. Void print board. And now we'll take in oops. Goes like that in C++, right? Because I get mixed up with C#. Okay. No, I don't want to call the method inside the parameter. That's weird. I want to do that. How about no, please? Oh, duh, I'm an idiot right now. Okay. Wow, that was silly of me. I'm trying to use a variable as a parameter. I do that inside the main function. Jeez, I don't know, what was I thinking? And just take this out. Oh, come on. There we go. Paste. And then I print the board. Use the actual variable in this part. And let's see. Here we go. I'm just gonna name this current state of the board. And let's see. So if I were to say board 0 is, I don't know, say A, and then board 2 is N. I'm kind of spell my name out. 4 is going to be D. Board, I don't know, let's say the last one is going to be, so I'm going to spell ants, or ants. I don't know how do you say that. It's just random letters I just gave it. The first 3 are actually from my name. I was like, okay, maybe I can spell out my name, but nah, it doesn't matter. As long as I can see stuff on the board, that'll be fine. All right. Awesome. Cool. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. So I'm gonna make two variables. I don't know, x, just gonna be that. Then char o will be that. Zeros and O's. Okay, never mind. I can just do that. No, I'll just leave it like that. Never mind. No. There we go. So, alright. Let's see here. Get the variables. We gotta check to see if, you know what, maybe I should do the winning condition next. Win condition. Did you win? Did you win? Is win? Did you win? Let's go with that. We're gonna pass in the board again. Passing this board around everywhere. We don't need this anymore. And let's see. Did you win? Char board. And we're gonna, let me plug that in first. Okay, now I'm back. Even though it was only like 2 feet away from me, I just need to be able to reach the outlet. All right, did you win? All right, so we're going to go with horizontal first. Horizontal. If board 1 or board 0, I'm sorry, always start from 0, is equal. Oh, I forgot. We also need to put in the symbol. So, like, let's say the player symbol. Player sim. People understand? No, I'll leave it like that. It's not that long. If board is equal to the player symbol, right? And board, it's gonna be a little tedious. You just pretty much repeat. So this is like the top part. What I'm doing, like the first row on the top. Player symbol. So, and then let me OR that because we're going horizontal. And then board 3. No, here, let me copy and paste that actually. So this is going to be 4 5 5 4 and 3. And then do that. And that's the end of the horizontal. So I just need to change these values again. So this is going to be the bottom row, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. So pretend that the only way to win tic-tac-toe is you having to get across. So let me just quickly see out, like, hey, you won. You won horizontally, not vertically. So there we go. Missing something. Ah, right. I had an extra parentheses there. Let's see. Did you win? Oh, forgot to put in the second parameter. Alright, there we go. Did you win? There we go. Let's say... Oh, also going to do a little cheat here. Let's see. I'm going to place system clear CLS, I believe. Let's try that before I move on. Okay. I need a test. So let me go ahead and put, let's say I want to put my piece in the middle. So 4 is going to be X. And I'm going to print the board again. So what I should see, let me put a breakpoint there. I should be able to see like the difference, or yeah, the difference, and the fact that I can clear the console and then see the X in the center. So stop there. All right, so nothing there. Then continue. We should get an X. Awesome. And that this doesn't like stack down this downwards and have like a giant like tic-tac-toe across the board, or down the board, down the terminal, the debugger, or I don't know what you want to call it. All right, so horizontally we got to make sure that works. So let me put that in. So did you win? And we're going to say pass in the board, and you get X. And let's see, where else didn't win? Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna say, so it's, at first, once it goes through this function, it's going to say like you didn't win yet, and I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna hardcode that we win. So I'm just gonna like skip the other player's turn and be like, hey, you know, I'm just gonna cheat and put all 3 pieces in my, you know, one turn. So 3, 4, 5 is the middle row. So okay. Didn't win yet. Didn't. Oop. Forgot to print. That's what happened. All right. So let's try this again. Oh yeah, I have that breakpoint. I should get rid of it. I don't need it. There we go. And then I didn't get the message. Did you win? Did you? Oh, duh. Print the board, and I gotta call the function too. What am I doing? X. Okay. Yeah, I keep forgetting to take out the breakpoint. I'll do that right now. Okay, I won horizontally. Great. Actually, let me put it down here too. Just see that I didn't win. Yeah, didn't win yet. Awesome. So now we got that horizontally. Now we're going to do vertically. So let's see. I'll try to keep it in one if statement. How do I do this neatly? I wonder if you can write a comment in the middle. Vertical. So if board is equal to, or here, it's going to be the same structure. So if board is equal to 0, is equal to 3, and 6, do that. It's going to say the first column, just checking for that. Then for the second column, shift over 1, 4, and 7. Oh, frick. Another OR, paste. And this is the last one. This is going to be the far right 1, 2, 5, and 8. Okay. So, you won. You won. Okay. And then we're going to do diagonals now, which is only 2. There's only 2 diagonals. So let me comment diagonal. And same thing. So 0, 4, and 8. And that's from top left to bottom right. I forgot my OR. And let's see. And the last OR and the last condition of this giant if statement is board 2 from top right. Wait, what am I doing? There we go. From the top right, board 2 to the middle, board 4, and to the board to the bottom left is 6. And those are our winning conditions. Let's see. Alright, awesome. So let me just change this up a bit. So we got 4. We'll check the diagonal. 6. Run it. Awesome. So, okay, so we got the did you win condition. Okay. So, now I need to implement a choosing thing. So, let's see. Let me clear the body up here. Okay. Let's see. While loop. So this is gonna be our game loop, and that's going to keep the game going until, you know, until somebody won. So did you win? Let's see. Board. No. This should be true. I'm going to leave it like a while true loop, and then use that if you win, you break out a loop. So, or since there's only 9 spaces, I should keep track of like the turns. So let's see, number of terms. This is equal to 0, and while number of turns is less than 9, then we can continue the game, because if you go more than 9, there's no other spaces and you end up getting like a cat or a tie game. So let's see, pick a spot. So we're going to choose a spot on the board, and I'm going to say oh, I should also print. That way the player gets to know like where he can put it. So print the board, and then ask. So C out, ask, where do you want to place your piece? Should be like that. Should be right here. There we go. Leave a space there. Standard. And then CN. Get the user's input. That would be, oh, I should int choice. Player choice. What's going on? CN player choice. What's wrong with that? So it doesn't take an int. What? Does it take like a string? Let me doing a quick look up here. Oh, duh. Wrong direction. The angle brackets have to be facing towards the variable. Alright. And then, oh yeah, and then we should place the actual piece on the board. But for now, let's just, yeah, we'll just set whatever the piece, the choice, to be player's choice, to be the player symbol. I'm just going to use X again, and then break, because we don't want to iterate this 9 times. I'll do it 4 times. Just to test the while loop. Oh, wait, forgot to increment. Almost forgot about that. We're going to be playing TicTacToe forever, and that's not a good thing. Where do I want to place it? Say 4. 4 is there. Awesome. And then 2. And then 1. And then let's say 6. Awesome. And the reason why I didn't display that I won, because I haven't called the function yet. So, okay. So, if did you win? Board, player symbol, X, or no, I'll leave it like that. What's going on here? Ah, right. I should make this as a Boolean. Bool. And then change the values here to be return 1, else return, or actually return true, and return false. And if that's true, if X wins, then we're just going to say X wins the game. Game. Alright, cool. Yeah, I know it's, you know what? Fine. I'll leave it like that. Alright, and else if did you win the game? Or here, doesn't really need an else or else if. Did you win the game? And we can break out of this also. So let me just, did you win the game? Oops, forgot to put in the parameters. O, and I need to have an extra parentheses to close off the if statement. Oh, not Y. O wins the game. Alright. Hopefully the keyboard's not, alright, hopefully I'm not making, you know, it's not annoying when I type, so excuse me on that. And then we also need to break out of a loop if you win, or if O wins. Okay. So let me clean up something here. On my window, the second monitor. Alright. So we just do this again quickly, run it. Or wait, let me fix the guard statement up here. Cool. Run the program. So this is just rigged to be on the X because of this. I haven't really implemented like taking turns, so we're just going to see a bunch of X's. So let's say 5, 4. I'm going to make this a long tic-tac-toe game. Oh, no, that's going to give me a win. Oh, I guess that's it. I'll pick 8 because it's going to give me a double win. There we go. X wins the game. And we beat it under 9 turns. Alright, so next step is to, you know, I should really make this like a 2-player game, not a game where I can play by myself. Or play myself in this game, I don't know. So here, let me actually put that back in. Alright, so let's see how to approach this. So while it's that turn, X player 1. No, I'll leave it like that. Let's see. After the player makes his choice and places on the board. Ah, yes. I should make that first. Place on the board. Place piece. I'll make another function for that. Let's see. Void place piece. I'm pass in board and the symbol. Player symbol. I'll try to be consistent here. Okay, place piece, and then I have to go down. Let me collapse that. Void, place piece, char board. Gotta remember to stay with the parameters. I can't just like automatically put a variable in there from the main function. I can't just grab these and just put it in there. Gotta be consistent with the function signature. Okay, let's see. Now we want to say board. No, forgot to pass in a choice. You know what? No, I'll just pass it in. Player choice. And there we go. Player symbol. I feel like I shouldn't have to make a new function for it, but oh boy. Okay, there we go. So this is it. Get the player's choice, player symbol. What am I doing? Player symbol. No, I probably do need that function actually. So I'll leave it there. So place symbol or place piece, my bad. And let's see, we got board, we got that, we got the player choice, and then we got the player symbol, which is X. Yeah, I need to fix this. Player choice. Okay. And then to place the O piece, we need to player choice. O. That's going to put the O piece but at the same spot. So let me take this out. Let's see. I'll just take it out for a moment. Place piece. That's a turn. Did you win? No. Okay. So this is the part. Second player goes. First player goes here. First player goes. I should put this out. Like it's going to initialize this is an empty board, or shows that it's an empty board as opposed to having it at the top of the while loop all the time. Let's see. First player goes. I feel like I'm going to duplicate code, and in my head I'm thinking like I can do better. So let me just duplicate code for a moment and take it from there. See if I can figure out a way to not have to do this. So, oh wait, that's right. No wonder. I have to make sure that piece is not already taken. You don't want to cheat and be like, oh yeah, here, I own this spot, but then like the next player is like, nah, I want to steal that spot from you. So let's see, board is player's choice. Is it equal to an empty space, or is it available at this point? If so, then yes, we can place that piece there. Else we can't. You just can't. Okay. I could make this a boolean to check to see if, you know, in case that you do put a piece there, you don't accidentally like lose a turn. So let's see here. Wait, what am I doing? Don't want to repeat that. So false. It's not a valid move. And we're going to say that this is a valid move. So true. Oop. I should rename this to be, you know, something more relatable. So like maybe valid placement, valid move, actually. Valid move. There we go. And then I don't need to do that. Player choice, board. Yeah, that's all we need really, actually. Boolean. And this is actually completely renamed this whole function to be valid move. So board piece, yeah, we don't, is a valid move if there's nothing there, then we can place that piece there. So board dot player choice is equal to, since first player I'm going to make it automatically be X, and then second player is O. Missing a parentheses, there we go. Else. How do I do this actually? Else, do it again. What is your player choice? I'll worry about that later for now. Let me just put okay. Oh, and also if anybody happens to stumble, you know, here or is here at the moment, I mean, feel free to, you know, help me out or ask me something or comment or, I don't know, help me out. All right. And board, did you win? Okay, second player, you go next. So valid piece, you're gonna be O. Valid move. Oh. And did you win? No, oh, you didn't. Oh wait, forgot, don't need the symbol. Okay. We're gonna place that there. Player choice to be O. All right. Okay. So else, actually, I guess this is now at the time where I have to do it. Do while. Ask again. Invalid area. Invalid spot. Let the person know that, you know, it's the wrong place to put it. Invalid spot. Choose a different one. Let's see. So choose a different spot. Huh. Okay. Getting brain farted for a moment. Just let the player know. Let's see here. Oh, whoops, I have that semicolon there for some reason. Where did that come from? Let's see here. SDF is not going to help me. Choose a different spot. Choose a different, yes. That's the way I need to tell people. Just choose a different what. Alright, valid move. Player choice. Where do you want to place your piece? I wonder, this is going to be like a little experiment actually. If I use the break statement here, will it break out of the first while? Like it will break out of this while, or will it break out of the whole entire while? I'm afraid that's going to break out of the whole while, so let me do a quick experiment here actually. So, well, actually let me bring it down to, well, it's going to ask me to put an input, so, oops, something's going on. Forgot. There we go. So I'm going to put the first piece in the middle, and it's not, okay. It didn't display because, did I not print the board? I don't even have a print board anywhere in this while loop, no wonder I can't see it. But if I were to say 5, where would you like to place it? Okay, it's going to be a lot better if I actually print out the board. So, all right, let's see. So I'm going to put it after the number of turns. So print board, print the board. There we go. Did you win? No, you didn't. Second player goes. This is ugly. I gotta fix this. Player goes. Did you win? No, I'll put it down here. Print board. Okay. Let's see how that goes. Place board. No, wait, never mind, I'm sorry. Let's see. Let's try this now. Now I should be able to see. I don't see it. What happened here? Oh boy. It's a valid move. Let me bring this up. Oops. I did the same thing. I don't need this else. Give me a second. I can figure this out. Let's see what it looks like now. What the heck happened? Whoa, okay. Alright. Print board valid moves. Does that? Is it true? Let me. Valid move. Is it true? It's empty. Make a choice. Da, da, da. I didn't do anything. Let's try 1. Number of turns is print board is equal. Why is it not printing? Is it giving me it's telling me that it's a false place to put it? Is it empty? Alright, so I gotta check here now. See what's going on. Is it saying it's false? Pick 2. It didn't go to the function. Oh, wait. Gosh, it didn't even reach that function. So it's saying that it's false? No. Or it didn't even check. What happened there? Gotta bring this up now. Okay, so I put in 0, the first spot. Now it took me to here. Now it's saying it's true. Okay. And then it's going to place it on the 0. And it should print out the X at the top left. There we go. But how come I didn't do it with the other numbers? Let's try it with a different number. Let's try 2 again. 2 didn't work. Okay, so it goes there, checks. Just go inside. Okay. Next. Okay. And it's returning as false. Player choice is 3. Board is 3. 0. Is this the wrong way to say that it's empty? The wrong way of saying it's a space? What happened here? At least one character. So this, I do need to have it spaced out. What happened? Board. Player choice. Takes a number. Checks. X. Player's choice. False. Let's try a different way of doing this. It's not an X, or it's not an O, then proceed to say, hey, that space is empty. And I forgot my square bracket there. Okay, so, oops. Spill it. Everything should be fine. Alright, if I want to place a piece at 3, okay, goes to the function. Alright, returns true. And there we go. Okay. I guess I have a weird... Well, let me try this with different numbers, because just because one number works doesn't mean the others. Alright, goes through the function, returns true, and alright. Good deal. Or that's what... Oh wow, I can't believe I said that. That was like my teacher's catchphrase, like, good deal. So, oh gosh. Alright, so let's see. That works. Or actually, let me triple check. Actually, don't want to... With no breakpoints in the main function. Let me actually continue playing game. So 4, that's gonna be in the center. Still a valid move. All right, awesome. Oh wait, I forgot. We're alternating. So 5. Here we go. 5. Do we get? Oh wait, I forgot. It's got to continue. And let's say 1, because I kind of actually want to win this game. And let's say, all right, that's a valid move still. So far it's pretty good. All right, it's fixed. And the last piece I want to place it is on the top right. And that's going to be a valid move. And then X wins the game. Under 9 moves. Awesome. Let's see. Yeah, but we need to make sure, we gotta double check to see if we can like find a way to make a different choice, because if I want to steal someone's spot in the tic-tac-toe board, or actually replace it, so if I were to do this, oh, here, let me get rid of that breakpoint. We don't need it anymore. So, okay, and then the next turn is going to be O, so if I place 4 again, it's going to replace it with an O. It's not going to keep the X there, so I got to figure out how to fix that. So, valid move. I'm going to ask again here, actually. So, until, well, not going to use an else. I'm going to say, while, how to make sure. Okay, I can always continue asking until it's a valid move. Or I can keep an array of all the, the places that you can move and check to see if a player matches with one of those. Yeah, let me see if I can do that. So I is equal to 0, I is less than, how to get the board size again? The size of, I believe it's like the size of the whole board divided by the size of an element from a board, which will get us the number of elements in the array. So, or the length, actually. And we're going to find whatever spot in the board is empty. It's not that. We're going to use the same condition because I don't want to use that empty space again. I don't know what happened there. So, okay, and, oh. Actually, I should make this as an and, because we need to make sure that it's not, neither of those are in that spot. We don't want to make this pointless. So if X is there but not 0, we still don't want to add that to the list of empty spaces that you can pick from. So let's see. I'll make a small array here. So available spaces. So that's going to be the size of 9. Even though it's unreal. No, actually, I think it's realistic to have it like that. Oh, no, I leave it like that. I'm not gonna initialize it. Then we say, oops, my bad. I'm sorry. This should be I, not player choice. And we're gonna say board is equal to I. So available spaces. It's gonna be equal to. Wow, I'm making this more complicated than it needs to be. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, and I don't want to like take forever researching or looking up on the second monitor. Let's see, 9. No, I'll leave it like that. Yeah, I have an idea. Let's say I'm gonna call this J. J is obviously not. This is a thing that doesn't exist. So say J. And we're going to say J equal to I. Okay, so let me do a quick search. TicTacToe, C++. Wait, whoops, wrong one. It's not the right link. Alright, let's see. Someone does it like choice 1 or 2. Okay, yeah, it's like a menu system for some reason. Valid turn. Ah. Yep, that was... Wow. Okay, so this person had a Boolean. Yeah, this looks much easier. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let's get rid of the let's get rid of this complicated thing here that we have there. All right. Else. Let's return false. Player 1 goes first. I'm just gonna make this a do while here. Just gonna take all this and just go up. There we go. Get everything in that do loop brackets. While is valid move. Let's see, where did I say? Else valid move. Wait, or I can do it like that. I don't need a... No, I do. Valid move is false. And I need to define, or yeah, define valid move up here. Alright, there we go. Print the board, show that it's empty. Game loop, first player goes first. Valid move will happen here. Expression must be modified. Valid move. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I named it after a function. That's not good. Wow. Valid move. Check. Gonna name this check. Valid move check. And valid move check. And that's gonna be the actual valid move. Valid move, okay. That's, for some reason I'm just thinking it's just a strange word. It's like one of those moments I just keep saying the words, or like I just think to myself like one day or the one time be like, wow, this word is spelled weird. I don't know. Valid move is false. So let's try that. Valid move is false. Actually, I can move this down here. And then make this as a giant if. So if it's a valid move, continue playing the game, increment the number of turns, check to see if you win, and also of course you place it and print the board. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. Break, do while, okay. What happened? Oh, yeah, forgot my semicolon. So Let's see here. Let's run the game now. Oh, got some errors. This term does not it's too. Oh, it's called valid move check. Let's try this again. Do we get any more errors? All right, cool. 6. Let's try 5 again. 5. Oh. Okay. Let me get rid of the second player thing. Second player is going to be essentially first player, just duplicated. Or unless I can figure out how to not do that. Missing a semicolon. Got a while. It needs a bracket. Yep. All those errors, they're lies. They were lying to me. Oh. Okay. Or I should at least indicate that I did get the wrong one. I didn't leave any message there. Invalid choice. Valid choice. Please pick another spot on the board. Yeah. I shouldn't have tested it like that. Let's see here. Here we go. Alright, where do I want to place it? I want to place it in the middle. And if I place it again, I should get the error. I didn't get the error. Time to debug. Or figure out what's wrong with the logic. Oh wait, I didn't even initialize it. Frick, I'm sorry. God. Let's see. It's true. Valid move is true. I should move it up here just in case. Let's try this now. Okay. Me. No, it's not running it. Okay. Let me place that there. So I want the middle. Alright. So far valid is true. Okay. So far, so good. It's asking me again. Okay. Since it's true, it's always going to be false. And since this is true, or if that's false, negate it, it's going to be, yeah, it shouldn't be. I'm just going to do this. Yeah, wait, it should have worked. If this is a true valid move, and it goes here, it should be negated to be false. But then it goes back up because there's nothing else in the main while loop, in the main game loop. So if I were just to try this again for the second player, and this is gonna be O, big O, and this is gonna be O, O. Here, let me see if it actually did break out of the player's 2 turn. Yeah, let me double check that. So after I make a valid move. So if, oh, I left a breakpoint there. So it does get to there. So it does break out of that main while loop, and what was happening is it just keeps going back because it's the only thing inside the main while loop. Alright. Let's see. So we got that working. Good. So we can break out of the first player's turn. And now we should do... Let me actually test out to see if the overriding is not a thing. So X piece will go to the top right. What happened? Oh, did I put a break? Yeah, forgot. I keep forgetting my break loops for some reason. Break points, I'm sorry. Alright, so let's say I want to go in the middle. And it's player 2 turn, so I see that print statement saying it's player 2, which is a good sign. Where's my piece? O, that's a good sign, so I'm inside the player 2 O loop. And let's say I want to go to the same spot. It didn't work. Great. It's good to know that it didn't work. Valid check. Board. It's true. Player's choice on the board is not that. And I'm saying it's an OR logic. So if it's saying it's is it true that it's not an X, or what happened was in the beginning was since in the center X goes first and it's there, and what an OR statement does is like, if either one of these conditions is true, then run this. So in the middle I have X. Well, actually I shouldn't explain it yet until I see if this actually worked. So alright, player 4. Awesome. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. So what happened was, so this is what I had originally was an OR condition statement here. So it's like, if either one of these are true, then return true. So in the beginning, since player 1 goes first and I had X already in the center, the reason why I'd override it because this is true. This part is true because since there's already X there, this part is false. So I was just checking to see if it's not X, then if it's not X, you're good on that part. And then if this is not O, then you're good on that part. And that's the thing. There's already an X there, but no O. So it's like this part is false. There is an X. This part is true. Oops. And what happened is that it returns that it was a valid move. So let me comment more here. Where do you want to place it? 3 players. Let's see, 6. How about some 4? I'm gonna try this again. Maybe 4 tries to is desperate enough to take over X's spot. You can't place it there. So let's try. Okay, well, he's desperate again. Tries to make a second attempt. Picks 3, and you can see it's not. Oh, there we go. Awesome. I like that. It's better than the for loop that I had earlier. Oh no. And then it's player's 2 turn. So it's gone. Let's say player 2 didn't see the diagonal, or actually there's 2 ways to win here. So player 2 is going to say, oh, I want to pick the last spot there. So, oh, it's blocking me there. But if I were to do 5 now, X wins, it's player 2. Okay, well, actually I should fix that. So it's not player's 2 if X already wins the game. So let me see if I can fix that. All right. Okay, so how to approach this? So X wins the game. I should start commenting, the code so I can fix. Just see if it's valid. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Wins that round, or I wouldn't go by round, so just say wins the game. And same here. Oops, I should separate this. It's getting ugly here. I also should say player 1 goes, yeah, as opposed to. Alright, so see out, player 1 goes. And I should also indicate that it's an X. It's also turn, not goes. And do that. Player 2 turn. I should also indicate this is an O. Valid move. All right. Did you win break? So it does break out. Okay, so earlier I wanted to experiment it to see. Oh, hello. Welcome to the stream. Just making TicTacToe, and again, I see there's more people actually. If you want, you can tell me like if I'm doing something wrong, or don't be afraid. You're just laughing to yourself as you watch this little noob program. So welcome. So, and I'm sorry if I don't get any. For some reason, I don't get messages, so I just might not be seeing anything. The SDL, what's the SDL? I'm sorry, I don't know that term. Okay, so let me do that. So and I have a red squiggly line telling me something, and 2 squiggly lines actually. Do they match up? Do they close? Oh, no, I don't know what that is. I'm just doing straight console, like, game of TicTacToe, so, like, wait, I forgot, I got issues here. That's what it is. I forgot the parentheses there. There we go. 2, yeah, I'm missing, that's what it was. I was missing a semicolon as opposed to parentheses. Is it similar to SFML, the simple and free multimedia library? Because that's kind of similar to it or something. Or it sounds similar. Allows you to make a window and have like graphics and sounds and all that stuff in there. Yeah, okay, so it works now. And where I left off was players 2 turn, alright. Player 1 wants to take over that middle part. Invalid area. Invalid. 1. And then O. I'm going to let O win this time. And say 6. Oh, didn't check. Yes. Oh, SDL has more stuff, or SFML? Because I know I've been, I mean, this is not in the scope of the stream, but like, I'm still working on a C++ project where I'm trying to like make like a physics simulation with SFML. So, I don't know any other things, but I mean, I'll take a look at what SDL, let's see. See and learn. Okay. Oh wait, forgot. That's right. Player 2 didn't get a chance to win, so break out of it. So Player 2 win. I guess I'm gonna make a few more. Boolean. Player 1. Next one. Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much, like I was given like a little assignment from a friend to, he says, go make a physics simulation. And I'm like, okay, great, I will. Or I'll try. I want to say I will because I'm still, I'm still stuck. And, you know, and it only needs to be 2D, thank God. I don't have to deal with 3D. So SDL is more with 3D and SFML's with 2D. Next win. So there is a library out there that that does kind of like SFML but in 3D, and that's called STL. This seems what I got out of it. That's interesting though. I should take a look at that, you know, later. I didn't know there was like a something sort of like SFML, but for 3D. So, win is true. This, I forgot my semicolon. This is in Python. And then I did make sure this is in did win. And check to see if X wins the game. Oh, I have this collapsed. And then X win. Oop. And let's see. So break out of that. And then if X win, then completely break out of the whole game loop. Let's see. And then if, same thing for O. Oh wow, really? Dang. Yeah. That does sound harder. You gotta come up, do the math yourself, and make sure you actually do it correctly. Oh boy. Oh man. And the color. Or wait. Oh, the color library. I didn't know there's a whole library dedicated to colors. That sounds nice. And break out of here. If O wins. So actually, let me put a little indicator saying that I got out of the whole entire game. So C out, game ends, N game, you're out of the game loop. I'm gonna put a smiley face. And I forgot my L for Endel. Hold on, guys. Alright, sorry about that. That was just my roommate asking something. So, let's see. Where was I? Oh, giving myself a little smiley face for breaking out of the for loop. I mean, the whole game loop. So if I were to do 4 and then it fails to override, 5, 7, 1, okay. How do I win here? 6, and let's say 0, and then oh, I win. Oh, and there you go. I broke out of the for loop. And what do we have here? Yeah, it does have like pretty much with SFML, you just have that SF namespace, and you just, it's like, just type in SF colon colon, you see like all this stuff. Yeah, colors, I used it for you know, coloring the boxes, the rectangles onto the screen. Part of the physics sim. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow, or actually Thursday. Yeah, fortunately for me, this semester, Tuesday and Thursday I have my days off school. No classes whatsoever, not even one. So I'm glad, and I can now stream more often now. I can stream longer actually, but here, let me actually be respectful to winners, or to the winner here. Be like, so if X wins, then I say that X wins the game. And, well, I mean, I should also get rid of that. Or, no, I already have it here. What am I doing? So, I'm going to say here, O, win. And it's going to be that. And, else if, actually, so. Okay. Collapse that. It's gonna bother me. Break out of the game loop if of the main loop. No, I don't try to make a game from scratch and C. I have followed some books and like some exercises, and there's like few books out there that I read. There's like game development, learning C++ in game with game dev or something like that. They have like a few like cute games. Oh, no, that's fine. I mean, you know, Tuesday we get it. It's Tire Tuesday, you know. I mean, you can go on a rant all you want here, or like comment or talk. I mean, I'm perfectly fine. Like, you know, perfect. You know, it's fine. You know, I'm glad that you know, decide to show up and take your time out of the day to see, you know, me being a noob. So, I'm just doing this for fun, or to, you know, show you guys. So, yeah, you're perfectly fine. No worries. So, let's see here. What was I doing again? Oh, I'm just commenting some stuff. And then I also, yeah, broke out of the game loop. Second player goes. I should actually do that. There you go. Yep, that's right. Alright, let's see here. I got the respective winning message. Except for X, he didn't get the upper G. Else. So, else if number of turns is greater than or equal to 9, then we have a cat game, also known as tie, right? Tie game. So and then let's see here. What else? Yeah. So let me see if I can try to get a cap game, see how that actually works. That's something I haven't really tested with. So let me just play with myself for a bit. So 2, 1, 0, 3, 6. Oops. No, I can't put 4. Oh no. Can I even get myself in a tie game? Oh no. Alright. 4. Ah, dang it, I wasn't paying attention. There's 2 messages. Okay, so it's good to know that. Yeah, okay, there it is. And that's what happened. And then same here. Let me get rid of that white space. Check if O wins. Really? I don't know. I mean, I didn't know that, but I mean, it's just, it does the same job, right? And like, unless there's like a major performance difference. I mean, that would be good to know. Then I can start making a habit of using printf as opposed to standard cout. Checks. Oh, I should just copy the comments. Okay, let me give it a shot. So, printf wins the game. And then let me convert that also. Oh, wins the game. And then printf again for this. I mean, I know C++ is like, it kind of branches out from C, so. Oh. No type safety? Okay. But there's always that like, with printf, I think you can do something like this, right? And you can just say like, I don't know, 2, or I mean you can have your variable to be inside the string like that, as opposed to having like the angle brackets separating. Oh yeah, that's right. New line, yeah. I forgot, that's the thing. I forgot, that's the one thing I keep forgetting. I think a lot of people will get it too. They just forget. Like me, yeah, I just forgot, as you guys witnessed. Alright. Can I please get a game? Oh, frick. Let's see, and then if I choose that, and then if I block the diagonal 6, and then there we go. And then, I mean, it can't go anywhere else. Oh, wait, it didn't break out. What the heck? Oh, uh-oh. So it has to be equal to. Because it'll break out once it's 10, and there's no 10 spaces on the board. So, like that. Wait, what? That's an actual thing? Oh, frick. Now I gotta strengthen my ballot check thing. Alright, so if no. I'll do it here. Else if player choice is greater than the max is 8, so if it's greater than 8 or it's less than 0, the top left. So if it's greater than the bottom right or the top left, then we'll turn false. Also, everything else is false. Else, oh, semicolon. All right, let's try this again. So that way your turn doesn't get eaten or anything, so, or skipped. So that wouldn't be fair. So let's see, if I were to do 50, still didn't work. All right, glad that it didn't work. So, okay, so player's choice goes in, do that, int, all right, cool, goes in, passes, player's choice. Or actually, I should. Yeah, I'm a computer science student, or actually more like a video game student, or they call it cyber gaming. I don't know. Um, they call that at other colleges too, but I mean it's more like video game programming and a little bit of design. Um, so, and this is pretty much my last semester, so I'm gonna be free. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna invert my thinking here. So it's just like, as opposed to checking to see if it's greater than 8 or in the negatives for some reason, it needs to check to make sure that it falls in the range of 0 and 8. So I should also make that as an equal. So, oops. Wow. I can't believe I had that reversed. That's embarrassing. Let me actually make this like, this is 8, then this is 0. For some reason it was bothering me to see 0 on the right side. Yeah. Oh boy, yeah? I mean, have you ever heard of that before? Because I never heard of it before, and like, I feel like if I ever have a girlfriend and like go to her parents and it's just like, yeah, and they ask me like, so what's your major? It's like, oh, I'm cyber gamer. Like, they're gonna close the door on me or something. Oh god, yeah, that's one of the things I worry about. It's like, yeah, I'm a cyber gamer. I don't play games. I try to make them. Art is not my strongest, but it's fun. I don't know. So it'll be hilarious. It's like, you play games for a living? Get out of here. You need to have a desk job and work from 9 to 5. I'm like, but that's not what I do. I make games. So or I could just pull off and say like, yeah, I'm a computer scientist, like I can program and maybe make an AI. I was thinking about making an AI for this TicTacToe, but let's see. Okay, where was I again? Oops. Oh yeah, we were checking to see if, yeah, it didn't. We were checking to see if I should also, I see. That's what happened. So I should make this as the first condition as opposed to check to see if the space is empty, because it's gonna be empty. I shouldn't have done that. All right, let's swap this out. So I'm just gonna take this, take that. This is really inconvenient. I bet. I'm pretty sure someone knows like three hotkeys to just like swap them out. But I mean, that's fine. No, I mean, 12. I mean, cool. I mean, I'm surprised that kids nowadays, or teens, they're programming and they're better than me. Don't get me wrong. I mean, you already showed me like printf is it works. It's a thing. It works. I mean, I haven't really thought of that. Like, C++, my go-to thing is the standard, stuff. But, I mean, just, like, it's part of, like, why I do this is, like, I learn from you guys. And, hopefully I can show you guys something. So, yeah. All right. Did I? Yeah, I did do a change. All right, cool. It goes through that. Checks to see if it's. Oh no. There is nothing there. Okay, well, if it's true, then it should go through here. What the heck? Oh no, it's false. That's why. Oh, okay. Well, okay. You got me. You lied to me. You japed. That's a word from a different streamer. But I didn't want to borrow his term. But you got me. All right. I mean, I don't know. I mean, to me, well, I'm just looking in the chat room and I just see text. I can't see people's faces and stuff. So, uh, ah. I mean, who knows? You might be lying that you are 17. What is my final goal for this game? I don't know. Just make it simple tic-tac-toe. I mean, this isn't like part of school. It's just like it's string something random. So, I mean, originally I was going to do something for school. I was going to make like a simple console chat room in C sharp, but the problem was I don't know C sharp and I don't know networking whatsoever. So, and first day of school was yesterday and my teacher assigned that and I was like, oh frick, I don't know. So I gotta strengthen my the valid check. So let's see. If it's greater than, let's see, false. It's false. If it's not that, and if it's not, no. There you go. I keep seeing that emoji, but I don't understand. But I'm gonna take it like it's supposed to be like a Lenny face or something. I don't know. Just a smirk. It's just a clever emoji. I don't know. But I mean, cool. You're 44 years old. I mean, you're sitting here laughing, and you just got out from school, and laughing at like how I'm doing newbie here. But let's see. Okay, I know I have to. I got this far. I can't give up. I must keep going. Never give up. So let's see. Check to see if it's a valid spot. Cool. What if I just make a simple like player choice? It's greater than. I'm going to do it up here then. So if it doesn't work, if it's greater than 8, I'm just going to check that. I'm just going to say no. No. I'm going to do it here. And that player choice is less than or equal to 8, then do this. Or I can do a quick search and see like how that guy did it, or like what's his, or did he even implement it? Can I break his game? Why is that true though? Why? It's not even in scope. You know what? No, I'll combine these two if statements. What am I thinking? Jeez. I'll just do this. And it needs to satisfy these, expressions also. I mean, they're going to use the same value. Might as well combine the two if statements. Am I right? Oh, okay. I was about to say, like, if you could program an assembly and do that, the roommate, my friend here, he'll talk to you about that stuff, and you guys can talk about assembly while I'm just here like programming Python or C++. So, all right, let me try out this again quickly. Hopefully it works. I hope. I'm going to keep crossing my fingers, or in my head. All right, let's try 50. Awesome. 89, 69, That's not 69. 69. Really? What language do you prefer to use? C? Because like at my school, C++ is literally like the only language they like throw you in. With intro to programming, you learn about Python. Programming 1, you learn about C++. Programming 2 is Java. But any other programming classes you get into, they use C++. So that's why I'm kind of like more familiar or like more comfortable dealing. I think comfortable is actually the real word I should use, because there's a lot of things out there in C++ world, and I still don't know. So, but I mean, what's your preference? Jonathan Blows or Jonathan Blow? All right, let's see. 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, 6, 99, over 9,000. I broke it. Going over 9,000 breaks it. I'm glad. Okay. Just as long as people don't put in 9,000, I think it's good enough. So, highly doubt it. Nah. Let's see here. What else can I do to try to break the game and try to fix? Let's see. 7. Cool. 8. Okay. 4. 1, 2. Oops. 4 is already taken. 3. 0. Okay. All right. Oh, we should also test out for cat. That's right. I forgot. That was the thing I need to test out. I can't do cat with. I'm gonna win. Yep. Let me test out cat or a tie game. I'm more comfortable with Python, or I'm just relearning Python, and I'm comfortable with C++. Java, I have no idea. C#, I only know how to do C# with Unity. I don't know outside of Unity, C#. So, but yeah, I need to figure out how to, I mean, there are books about C# that I wanted to get, but what happened was everybody's taking it. Like, I can't even check it out from my local libraries. So I look around, and the only book available about C++, C# is like C# for kids. I'm like, really? All right, fine. I guess it's the only option I can get is C# for kids. Like, you too can be a game programmer by typing in variables and functions and like learn about 1 or 2 things that are unique to C#. I'm like, okay, great. I don't think I'll learn much doing that. It's the only book. Oh my gosh. You wrote, oh, yeah, sure. I mean, yeah, I mean, in previous streams, people, like the way they send me their codes and stuff is like they use Hastebin. I never heard of that prior to that stream, so if you want, frack, it didn't freaking, am I incrementing? Is that the reason why? Number of turns is there. Number of turns. I should make this to be 9. Or you could probably put it in Discord. So yeah, I have Discord. I kind of lied about like all you had to do is click, but if you just put in like, if you just highlight and copy paste it, or uh, go to that and just join. You can, you know, send me through Discord too. So also I try to populate with some memes, or I just happened to found this on a YouTube video one day. I was like, oh, okay. And I don't know, we have general. I mean, it's not much, but we can like build a community and like spam memes. I forgot where I put the memes. I think the memes are like higher up. Yeah, we were just like discussing, talking. Yeah. Oh, I mean, that's something. There's that. So it's up to you if you want to use like Hayspin or oh, Anaconda environment. I don't know about that. Oh boy. Or you can put like a little video. I don't know. Like you could also put that in Discord, because I don't know if you can do that through Twitch chat. So all right. So let's see where I'm at. Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta check to see how to fix this whole like taking turns thing. Yeah, I don't know what Anaconda environment is, so most likely I won't have that. Let's see. Let's see here. I gotta figure out what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna add a watch. Okay, I gotta run it. Add watch. Oh, I can't add watch. What is this? Number of turns. What? What is this? All right. So like when the screen edge detection kind of thing? Is that like what you meant? Like so it like bounces off like you see in like an old screensavers? Hey, all right, cool. There we go. Yeah, welcome to the fam, or family, or something. I haven't come up with a unique special name for this clan or this group, so I suck. So, all right. So turns is 1, increments by 1. There you go. Yeah. So, what's the deal? And then if I continue, oh, I shouldn't try to break that. Okay. Number of turns. Increment by 1. All right. Okay, cool. I should do it like that. All right. So 2 turns. Now it's going to ask me for another spot. Okay. Then I should also make sure that I try to get a cat. So 3. I'm going to put that there. So that we're going to have 4. And then it's going to ask me again, where should I put the 5th marker? So I put X there. Then I put O to be in the 8th spot. And that's going to be 6. And then X should be in the middle. And then O is going to be in the 6th spot. Oh, no. Ho, that was close. Block the X. 6. I should actually... What's going on? Ah, man. It checks to see... It checks to see after I finish the loop, so I guess I have to leave this as a while true loop, and then I put in the end here, since it's going to end after the first player. If player number of turns is greater than or equal to 0 or 9. Whoa, 0. Let me shader. Sobel filter. Okay, this is all new to me. Silver filter. All right, let me check Discord a bit. Nice frog. Okay, yeah. All right, so let me. Oh, why, Edge? What are you doing? All right, I'll take a look at that later. I can't. All right, let me. All right. So I'm just gonna check here to see if the number of turns is greater than or equal to 9, just to be safe. For some reason, break out of the main loop. Or actually, they use the same condition, right? Yep. All right. So I'm just gonna combine them. X wins or that, then break out of the main loop. Yeah. So let me do that. Oops, got this console going. That's a different instance. Okay. Continue. Okay, well, I don't need a breakpoint at the while true. I think we can all agree that if the condition is true, the while loop will keep going. So let's see. 4 center point. So let's say 1, and then 2, and then 6, and then we got a tough match going on here. I'm gonna say that one's 8. 7, 5, and then 2. Oh, wait, no, 2, not 2, 3. There we go. Cat, aka tie game. Awesome. End game at your wait. You're out. Oh my gosh, did I have that there the whole time? Your hour of the loop. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay, I should also print out, or like comment. System pause. Okay. You're out of the game loop. You are out. R, double R, no E. Let's see. You are out of the game loop. All right, cool. Got that. What else? Break. Okay. Break out of the main game loop if O wins. And then check to see if it's a valid spot for O. For O. For O. Not 0. Capital O. You know, I'm glad that there's a difference between capital O and 0. And it's that you have that little slash that looks like a do not enter sign, or do not whatever. Do not do this. Checks to see that's true. Keep checking. Let's see here. Missing out on something. Oops. Fix that. All right. Let's see what we got here. Do we got anything else that I need to do? I could expand upon this project for next time. Maybe do some AI. That way I'm not by myself, and playing by myself, playing with myself. Yeah. Oh man. So let's see. If X wins, since the number of turns is odd. Okay, well, If X wins, then break out. Game loop. Also note, since number of wins, number of turns is greater than, oh wait, frick, is an odd number. We don't want to continue, or that doesn't seem right. What's a good comment for this actually? Number of turns is 9. No, number of turns. Okay, the last turn. Player 1 gets the last turn. So we should check. So we check if the number of terms than 9. How many spaces there are on the board. So, okay. Let's see, choose a spot on the board, do this. Make a choice, player 1. Let's see. What else? What's the else? I think that's pretty much it. No, collapse that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say, or I don't know what else to put. If O wins. Wait a minute, what the wow, okay, so O would definitely not win at all if, that was close. Whoa, okay. That was really close. Like, O will have no chance of winning because it won't even get a check. It won't be able to, so let's try with O. Let's let O win. So say 3 and then say O is 4 and then let's let X be 1. And then, there we go. O wins the game. Awesome. Cool. All right. Need to double check. That's an invalid choice. Valid move, same. Valid move. Else. Number of turns, increase. Increase number. Turn count. Display board. Piece on it. We know what that is, and it's a valid move. Same deal. Same deal. So increment turn count, and then print display the board with the new piece. So all right. Yeah, that sounds about right. Board player choice. Yep. All right. Cool. Yeah. The game looks like it works. Let me actually give like a welcome message. So I could have like initialize, like function. So initialize. And then go down here. Void initialize. Welcome to the game. Welcome to TicTacToe. B1 plot twist. TicTacToe. Welcome to TicTacToe. I guess I don't really need a function for that. I don't know what else to say. Hey, welcome to the stream. How's your day going? So, yeah. Should print the board? No, I'll put it up here. Welcome to TicTacToe. Oh, great! Welcome to the world of game dev. Even though this looks like a bunch of lines of text, but this ends up being a tic-tac-toe game straight from C++. I was going to say C#. All right, awesome. Welcome. So, do you have like any experience like with like any game engines or like programming stuff like that? Okay, that's 4. X's needs to be there. There. Oh, I gotta race down the vertical path. Let's see. 0. Oh, what is it? Game. Yeah, it has its own like language. But all right, yeah, cool. Yeah, I don't remember the name of the language. But I did look at Game Maker before, and I was like, oh, this is confusing. I don't understand it. But what's it called? Unity is like my go-to. But good. Welcome to the world of game dev. Hope you'll have fun, and you learn a lot, and you can make games faster than me. Here I am, just like struggling. All right, yeah. All right, you got like any like language? Do you know that you want to learn, or cat game, aka tie game, end game? You are out of the game loop. All right. Haha. All right, that's good. Yeah, I'm really missing out on Discord. I apologize. Because I also have Twitch chat, and I should mainly, I don't know, I wouldn't say main. I'll look back at Discord to read the history and stuff, so that way I can, take part of the conversation. But I see Jason is, he's talking, so I'm missing out talking to him. He's right outside this door, and, I gotta go talk to him. I haven't seen him all day anyway, so no, I have not played StarCraft, but I think I've seen like pictures of it or footage a little bit. But I can do a quick like research and check out StarCraft. Seeing like, I know there's also that program script, or the program that said, I'm sorry, I've said who 12 said. I gotta see his code, and I'll take a look at StarCraft. All right. Let me take a quick look at what StarCraft does, or like what StarCraft is. Not does. StarCraft. Well, anyway, back to this programming. I think that's about it. Here, let me. Wait, what happened? Oh, yes, that's right. Duh. Oh. Ooh, we have a problem. Oh. Ho, 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 ho. Well, actually, no. I'll just leave it like that. No problem. Yeah. No big deal. Yeah, I can just print the message underneath. No big deal. So, that way it shows the board, and then it shows the message. Welcome to the TicTacToe, or welcome to TicTacToe. Player 1's turn. Where do you want to place your piece? X, and you continue from there. All right, that's about it. Oh, also, I should put a note. X. My dumb way of saying X, and then O is haha. Get it? O is O. All right. Sorry for the cringe. And yeah. Well, I mean, hopefully, somewhere down the road together, I show you like a small thing, and maybe you learn something from it, or like maybe you can show me how to do something in your journey. Let's see. StarCraft is the real-time strategy. Oh, okay. So it's like, it's like one of those. Is it sort of like Dota or? I think I've seen a game like that at my school. Like at my school. What happened? Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. Never mind. So yeah, at my school, I think I've seen something like that. Okay. Yeah. Or actually, no, it was Fire Emblem. My bad. Yeah, someone at my school mimic Fire Emblem's mechanic, but he had like also like Persona art style to it. But yeah, but I'll take a look and see. But I let's see what we can go. I don't know. Maybe I'll stream again today. But right now, I'm just gonna take a break. Discord is down below if you want to get an update on like what's going on. I kind of lied, so I apologize. It's not a click, it's more like a copy and paste. So okay. Well, I might actually do my homework or the exercise that I need to do from my class, or the class. It's funny because it's game design 2 homework, so ooh, design 2 class, part of cyber gaming. Yeah, gotta love that name, right? So yeah, I don't know. Just gonna take a break, maybe go get some dinner or something. You know, just program something random. Well, and to get a heads up about the homework, to give you guys like a little like a sneak peek, I guess, is supposed to do like a console, right? So like, how we've been playing TicTacToe. Yeah, like there's 2 parts to homework. One of them is optional, but I kind of want to do the optional part to get the experience. But the exercise is to make like a console chat room. So we have like a 1-to-1 message room, chat room with the console. So and it was recommended by the teacher to use his code as like his the foundation to start the exercise. But the homework though is to make a 2D ASCII maze with coins in it, and it's your job to go and find these coins, but you also need to implement like networking features. So like me and Jason, like Jason in the next room, he's supposed to join me in this little ASCII maze, and we're supposed to look for a coin. So that's pretty much my homework, and the former was the exercise. So hope you guys had fun making fun of me. No, I'm joking, but or it's up to you guys, but hope you guys enjoy yourself listening to me talking or watching me write this code. I could put this on Discord if it's the best way to do it, because to be honest with you guys, and this is the most embarrassing thing to say, especially people who look at me and see like, oh, you're a computer scientist, and I'm like, yeah, sure, I am. Oh, put your code on GitHub. Let me tell you something. Here's an embarrassing thing. I don't know anything about GitHub. I mean, I can always learn it, but I never get myself around that. And I just use Discord to just like share like memes, videos, gifs, code actually. I don't think, not often though, but like, but I seen like you already posted some code up there too. So what's computer science? That's a good question actually. um, well, computer science. I'm definitely not looking this up because to be honest, I don't have. Okay, part of me is like I don't have confidence in my answers whatsoever. Or I mean, well, there's gonna be a small ounce of it, but it's pretty much, yeah. Well, GitHub is not apparently. Apparently, I never got myself around GitHub, so. Well, game develop. Okay, so game development. There are different paradigms, and um, the computer science part of game development is more about like doing the programming. So like what you see here is like, oh, I do the programming, and then you got the art stuff, right? So art is self-explanatory, is the stuff that you see in the game, and then oh well, it's a computer scientist and a game dev. Oh well, uh, game dev is also its own paradigm. Like he's probably the one who like designs out the levels and um, kind of, or that's like as far as I've been exposed to about like game design and development. It's like there's like three paradigms, and it's like you got the programming, the art, and the design, like how things should look like and what the levels, how what the levels should be like, where the enemies, where do you want to put them, where the power ups and stuff like that. Um, but but the computer science side of game dev is more about programming and trying to like weave together the developers mind, like how he sees the game with the art that's provided or like you get. But computer science is pretty much, so computer science is just pretty much being an expert with computers. Oh yeah, I'm a gamer, all right. It's just like um, I just focus more on trying to learn how to make games because like if I just, I mean, it's great that you play games and you learn and you love it and you get obsessed with it and you kind of wonder like how you make that game. It's like that's great, but I would like to learn how to do a lot of different games and put in different mechanics. But tutorial. I wonder why is TicTacToe. Oh yeah, here. So this is what the tutorial TicTacToe looks like. So, um, so here I am playing by myself, and and I'm just gonna make this a quick round. So there. I can post. I can just copy and paste it to Haspin. Actually, yeah, that's how it worked before. Um, that's what I done. Oh no. To be honest, it's been a long time that I haven't played games, and me and my friend we will just make a joke about it, like how it's like a curse of trying being a game developer. Like you're focused on learning and trying to make the games and like implementing like a proof of concept or prototype or something, and you're spending all that time doing that, and but you don't have time to play games. But I mean, yeah, last time I played, well, okay, don't get me wrong, I play casually Team Fortress 2, but um, first of all, I streamed that earlier. It was terrible. The frame rates dropped, so I dropped it. I'm like, okay, I need to stream something, and maybe I'll stick back to programming. It doesn't require me to like be connected with matchmaking systems and stuff like that. And probably gonna slow down the stream. But yeah. But besides Team Fortress 2, if I don't consider that as a game, okay, well it is a game. Okay, don't get me wrong, but last time I played it was last Sunday. So Braid. Okay. Okay, I need to take a look at into. Also, I probably do need to be reminded if you guys want me to check out something, like, gotta tell me in like Discord, because like by the time I turn stop streaming, yeah, I'm probably gonna forget, or like shortly afterwards I'm probably gonna focus on like what I want for dinner, or what's my next step, or like what we should do. Probably gonna stream again later. I don't know, but yeah. um well, I mean, um let's see. Well, I mean, there's a lot of tutorials out there. Infest, Dylan. The way I've been learning about game dev stuff, or um, like actually putting hands on, like making prototypes and proof of concepts, is like I go look up tutorials on YouTube. And I know that sounds really obvious, but there's like, you got Extra Credit Game Dev. I mean, they're great. I started following Game Dev Underground, and it's pretty much, an freelance indie game developer who, gives his opinion on various topics. And it's also the reason why I kind of watch him a lot and binge watching his stuff, is because it's also like motivating. It's not just about learning how to do game dev stuff, but it's like helping you to like find your motivation, your passion. Like, he's just there, he's a motivational speaker, like right there, and I'm just there here like, oh wow, I could be just like you, and put my head into more tutorials and look up stuff. And there's a lot of cool tutorials out there. And I'm actually I saw Bracky's not so long ago, and he had like a tutorial on like how to make like a 2D level editor, and that is so cool. Yeah. So you got Extra Credits Game Dev. They're really good. You got Game Dev Underground. That's the one I recently started binge watching. A lot of good stuff. You got Brackies. He's a good guy. I mean, okay. Well, I feel like I'm advertising here, but you can always look it up. Yeah, I mean, if you want to do programming, you gotta know that stuff. And a little tip is like, you don't have to memorize like everything about that programming language. You can carry over like how to make a variable over to different languages, and you just need to be able to think like a programmer, and you can learn stuff quicker. So like, for example, oh, okay, maybe I don't have an example at the top of my head, but I'm thinking, I was thinking about using the toaster example that everybody uses, but it's like the toaster example is pretty much like, how do you make toast? It's like, oh, you put bread in an oven, but the computer will ask you like, what's an oven? What's a bread? What's the action of putting bread into the oven? How long do you need to put the bread in the oven? How hot does the oven needs to be to order to toast your bread, and stuff like that. So computers, you gotta dumb it down a bit. So yeah, stream's kind of ending though. So if you want to continue talking to me outside of Twitch, or remind me like, hey, check this out, or you just want to share something, follow the oh yeah, you got something? I'm sorry. uh, I'm kind of like running a random programming tutorial stream. I'm not a new programmer. I hope not, because like 4 years of programming, I shouldn't be I shouldn't be it shouldn't be new. But just because I have 4 years doesn't mean I know a lot. So I mean, I always learn something new, and from you guys, you tell me like, oh, you can just do this, and I like I did, like, as opposed to using C++ C standard C out, said who 12 mentioned like you can use printf. So I always learn every day, or from you guys. So all right. That's about it for the stream. Uh, just a simple. Okay, maybe it wasn't simple, but hope you guys enjoy the stream. Hope you guys maybe learned something. I don't know, but I sure did something. I did learn. But again, continue if you want to continue talking to us. You got Discord again. It's not a click. It's a copy and paste. I apologize. I don't know how this works. I'm still a new streamer, so I'm still learning the ropes about Twitch and stuff. And yeah, and if you join Discord, you can talk to other programmers like you around, and you can also help each other out and help me out, especially for this homework assignment that I have due next Friday. But I would like to make a stream about it. Get involved. Have people involved, and that way I can tell my teacher or my classmates, and they're like, wow, because apparently this very first homework assignment is really hard, and the console chat room or whatever with C#. And no, this isn't homework. This is just something I did randomly. This was an old homework of mine, or okay, almost. It's similar. This TicTacToe program is similar to a homework that I had back in artificial intelligence, where we had to implement the min-and-max algorithm for the computer to guess, or not guess, but like strategically place this piece down the tic-tac-toe board. And it was a disgusting code, but I managed to pull that off. But I was thinking about extending this program to implement that, but I think I'll hold that off for another day or another stream. So but it would be cool if I can just like talk to other students. They're like, some struggle, or well, okay, like some probably didn't do it. I know this one kid, he probably won't do it, but like I'll just tell him like, hey, like how I freaked out about this homework assignment. Well, I didn't, because I have help from Twitch people who come by, say I'm a noob. I'm okay. I'm okay with that. I'm a noob, definitely. But I get help from Twitch. I mean, what are the chances? The teacher said I can go online to get help, but the teacher didn't specifically say like I can make a stream about it, like get help from people, so yeah. So again, I know I said this like fifth time, but Discord, if you want to continue talking to me outside of Discord, or Jason actually, because he's currently talking to somebody and I'm missing out on the conversation, but I got a lot to scroll up and scroll down or stuff like that. So if you want to join, talk to other fellow programmers, this is a small group, so if you like small groups so far, then it's good to join. I usually have mine invisible, so don't think like I'm never on, so I should probably change that habit actually. So hope you guys enjoy the stream. Probably see you guys later. If not, I'll see you guys on Thursday, probably around the same time. On Discord again, I'll make an update, like I'll let you guys know early, like, hey, I'll plan to do this or something. So all right, so hopefully everybody have a nice day today. Hope you guys can join us, and let's learn some stuff, let's do stuff. All right, let's make things together. All right, thank you. See you guys in the next stream.